Welcome to our session. Today we're going to be taking an overview of how to import your contact list into our platform. So from the contact area, you can click on the plus at the top right corner. Now if you want to add a contact manually, you can click on Add New Contact. That just opens up a blank form. You can put in the name, cell phone number, all the rest of the information. And the other thing that's very important to note is this checkbox here that requires you to confirm that you've got permission to send that person text messages. So that person should have already opted in to your SMS campaigns. All right, so let's cancel that and let's go back into the plus and click on import. So the first thing I'll note is that you must have prior express consent from your customers in order to legally send them messages. So please keep that in mind. There's some more information on these links if you want to look into that in more detail. So you will be uploading an Excel spreadsheet, and right here is what a default spreadsheet should look like with the columns. And you can click on this button here to download an example if you want to. So I'm just going to pull this over here. So this is the spreadsheet that I'm going to be importing in just 1 second. You can see that I've got a full name column with the first and last name in the single column. If you want to break that out and you have 2 separate columns, you can have first name in one column and then last name as a second column if you want to. Here we've got the cell phone, the email address, and also some tags. So you can, tag the user as you are importing it in. So that's the spreadsheet that I'm going to be importing. So let's move that away. Let's click choose. Let's select that spreadsheet and click upload. All right, so as you can see, it pulls the column headers from the Excel spreadsheet and lists them out here, and that allows you to map those column headers to columns in our contact database. So because these names are by default, they are recognized by our system, they come up already mapped out. So if you had, for example, mobile phone as the column header here in your spreadsheet, this will come up like that, do not import, because we don't know what mobile phone is. So you will just come here, find the cell phone column and choose that. And likewise, you would do that for all the columns that came up over here as do not import, because we don't know what that column is. So once you're done with that mapping, down here, if you want to, now our spreadsheet has tags in there already. But if it didn't and you just wanted to tag every single user with the exact same tag, you could specify that tag right here, and then as you're importing it, every single record will be tagged with whatever tag you specify here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click import, and as you can see here, we've got the 2 records from our spreadsheet here with the tags as well, and that's how you can import your existing contacts into our platform.